So let's do some more practice problems. These are facts that are true on the unit circle. And we use the unit circle along with these facts to solve equations. For the first ones, we want to solve for theta. Now theta has to be in radians. The first one, where is cosine this? See, we could do these problems logically, or we could follow a certain procedure. Let us try procedures for now. Cosine theta can be replaced by x. So here, this would say x equals negative square root 2 over 2. This is a statement, and this statement is going to reveal to us the value of theta. So let's look at the unit circle and find locations where the x-coordinate is negative square root 2 over 2. Where does that happen? Where do I have an x-coordinate of negative square root 2 over 2? Nope, 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 nope. Yup. Nope, nope, nope. Yup. Nope, 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 nope. So the only winning locations were here and here. So what do I give them in return? You give them the angle measure, but not in degrees, in radians. So we have 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. Those are the respective values of theta. 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4. I am bubbling this in because we're done. Let's try this one here. Tangent of theta can be replaced by y over x. So y over x equals 0. Again, this is just a statement. It describes a relationship, and it will reveal to us the value of theta, which is what you're trying to find. So let's see what this is saying. This is saying y-coordinate divided by x-coordinate. It's supposed to be how much? 0. Where does that happen? Let's test. Y divided by x. Y divided by x. 0 divided by 1 is 0. And that's exactly what you want. So right off the bat, we're winning. So one value of theta would be 0, right? They want radians. Either way, it's still 0. Okay. Let's go through the map and let's see where else y divided by x is 0. Well, it doesn't happen at any one of these middle locations because none of these coordinates are 0. It is likely to happen here or perhaps here. So let's test them. This one worked. How about up here? 1 divided by 0 is not 0. That would be undefined. 0 divided by negative 1, that works. Negative 1 divided by 0 doesn't work. So this location works as well. So we could add to the bag pi. Okay? Let's move on to a more higher level difficulty type of problem. Now here, as soon as I see this, I don't like how there's some number inside the parentheses. I like when it's just theta, right? We like when it's just one piece. I don't want it to be this plus that. So for that reason, it is recommended that you make a u substitution. And as a matter of fact, you don't have to call it a u substitution. Pick any letter, pick any symbol. There is nothing special about u. That sounds wrong. So there's nothing special about the letter u, okay? So let's just use a different letter to make a substitution. How about theta? So why don't we let theta equal beta plus 130? Okay, now let me rewrite this in terms of theta. So the original equation would say secant of theta equals 2 square root 3 over 3. This is easier to look at than this. But bear in mind, the overall goal is to find the value of beta. But for right now, I'm trying to find theta. Once I know theta, I can go and find beta. So let's see how to solve this equation. Secant of theta can be replaced by 1 over x. Why don't we try to find the value of x? Let's cross multiply. Let me show my work up here. If I cross multiply, it'll say 3 equals x times 2 square root of 3. Let me divide both sides by this number. And this is where you guys take out your Casio calculators. Because if you do so, you'll see that x equals square root of 3 over 2. Okay? Now, I understand that I'm trying to find beta. But at the moment, I'm trying to find theta. And theta is about, it's going to be revealed to us by this statement. So go back to the unit circle. Tell me where x is square root 3 over 2. X square root 3 over 2. This works. No, 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 no. Yes, so these two spots work. Now, what are the locations? 30 degrees and 330 degrees. So that would be for the value of theta. Yes? X just told us what theta is. And we want degrees. So we have just found that theta is 30 and 330. So let me jot that down. Theta is 30. Theta is 330. But darn it, what are we trying to find? We're trying to find the value of beta. So we know theta. Go back to the original substitution here. This theta gets replaced by 30. Put that in right there. That'd be like 30 equals beta plus 130. Similarly, take 330, drop it in right there. Solve each equation for beta. So subtract that from that. Subtract this from that. The goal was to solve for beta. We have. These are the solutions, but one of these is not finished. Because remember, your answers have to not only satisfy the equation, which these do, but your answers also have to meet another requirement. Your answers have to be in this interval between 0 and 360, which this is. We're good here, but this one's no good because it's negative. So we find coterminal. So add 360 to this, and that'll tell us that beta is 260 degrees. Also, beta is 200 degrees. Bubble that in, we're done. Next time, we will step it up a higher level and do some more practice problems.